Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a tiny entryway makeover. As you can see here, I just have like a regular pegboard and some pictures on it, and also on the opposite side just like this yarn hanging thing that's been here for a while. As you can see, there's really no true definition from the front door to the bathroom and the kitchen. It's just kind of one little box, and then right here kind of starts where the living room and dining room is. Over here is the kitchen area, and then like I said, on the right side is where the bathroom is. So I removed everything from the wall. Some of these items I currently already own. This is a cabinet I got from IKEA about a year ago. It's just simple white with a knob. Here I added a wall shelf that I also got from Target, and I'm kind of using it as a magazine holder instead of an actual wall shelf. This picture I've been having in my collection forever. It's actually an oldie but goodie thrifted picture. Here now I have this woven basket, kind of just to toss things in. I'll probably add in a blanket, to build up on the texture in this area. So the most important thing about an entryway is having that shelf just for added storage space, for decor. You can put a candle. I have this like sculpture head that I put here, and this vase, also from Target. As you can tell, I really do love everything Target. And then I'm going to give you just another view. This is kind of from the side. I have these two L trays just to toss things in as I'm walking in and out of the house. I added this small like jute rug. It's super thin. It's from IKEA. I believe it's like $2. I also added a palm tree leaf onto the back of the shelf just to break up the neutral tones and all the naturalness. Placed a couple shoes there just to see, how well it would fit in the area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was such a blast redoing my small entryway. I'll be making lots of videos like this soon for unique or smaller places. Thanks for watching.